Quality product and quality services begin with quality thinking. Hindustan Plastic and Machine has been the one who follows this notion. We capture your mission. Hindustan Plastic is a manufacturer, exporter, and supplier of plastic processing machinery.
I passed out from the IIT Roorkee year 1969, and then after I did the post-graduation from IIT Bombay and worked for 2.5 years, and I got married after that and started the business in 1973.
And I joined him in 2001 after completing my BE Mechanical education from MIT Pune. So the most challenging part after I joined was to deliver the high quality machine at the most competitive price and delivery on time. To overcome the challenges, we improved our infrastructure, we increased our manpower and increased the number of machines from manual lathe machines to CNC lathe machines and VMC machines. Increased our manpower in the service area also, and now we have almost 10 engineers to overcome the servicing problem, and we cater within 24 hours for all our service problems. The machines that we are specialized in are conical twin screw extruder for PVC pipe, PVC profile, PVC compound, HDB pipe, recycling extruder, master batch extruders, PVC garden pipe, lay flat pipe, and many more. And we enjoy the market share of almost 75 to 80% for PVC profile machinery all over India, and we are in the top 5 right now and aspire to be number 1 very soon.
Due to our constant commitment to extrusion technology, we have emerged as a leading manufacturer of machinery for PVC pipes, HDPE pipes, inline drip irrigation pipes, PVC compounding, recycling of all kinds of plastics, PPR pipes, PVC profiles, cable coating, LLDPE lay flat pipes, CPVC pipes, and many other for a wide range of extrusion processes.
हिंदुस्तान प्लास्टिक मशीन कॉरपोरेशन में एज ए प्लांट हेड मेरे को 25 साल काम करते हुए हो गया है, और हमारे और मैनेजमेंट के बीच में जो है फैमिली जैसे रिलेशनशिप है, और हमने जो है 25 सालों में टेक्नोलॉजी को ग्रोथ होते हुए देखा है धीरे धीरे, और आज की डेट में हम बहुत ही लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जिससे हम बहुत ही बेहतरीन मशीनों का प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं.
Our mission to optimize our manufacturing capabilities and retain our position as a leading manufacturer of plastic extrusion machinery, to innovate excellent, functional and cost-effective plant for multiple extrusion processes, to provide apt solution for every extrusion need. Hindustan Plastic has come with various core values. Values are as follows: constant development, need-oriented solution, undeterred commitment towards clients' satisfaction, transparent approach, future readiness.
मैं 2011 से इस कंपनी के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ एज ए मार्केटिंग हेड. हमने काफ़ी मशीनें सप्लाई की हैं पैन इंडिया और अब्रॉड. सारे कस्टमर बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हैं. इसमें जो हम रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ करते हैं बहुत स्टैंडर्ड कंपनियों के यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक एबीबी, सीमेंस, स्नाइडर, और जो गियर बॉक्स लगाते हैं अपनी मशीनों में वो ग्रिप्स के लगाते हैं. इसलिए मशीन जो हमारी बनती है वो लो मेंटेनेंस होती है, हाई प्रोडक्टिविटी रहती है और लॉन्ग लाइफ रहती है. हमारी सारी मशीन्स की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, इसलिए जो हमारी ब्रांड वैल्यू है मार्केट में वो काफ़ी अच्छी है, इसलिए हमको हमेशा रिपीट कस्टमर्स मिलते रहते हैं.
Our clients. We have a very strong base of our clients. Our clients fully rely on us. Shakti Industries, Nimbus Industries, Mangalam Pipe, Syntex Industries, Dhabaria PVC Profile, Star Plastic, Ajay Industrial Corporation, Allwin Pipe, DEC Infrastructure, Swastik Polyvinyl Private Limited. Hindustan Plastics provides solutions for all kinds of plastic processing. Our products are as follows: conical twin screw extruder for RPVC and CPVC single pipes, conical twin screw extruder for PVC pipe, 4 and double pipes, HDPE pipe extrusion line, round inline drip irrigation extrusion line, flat inline drip irrigation pipe extrusion line, PVC compounding, wood plastic composite profile extrusion line, PPR pipe extrusion line, reprocessing plant vented, reprocessing plant 2-stage, automatic washing line, cable extrusion line, LLDPE lay flat pipe plant, high-speed mixer cooling mixer, soft PVC garden pipe extrusion line, co-rotating twin screw extruder for soft cable grade PVC, single screw extruder for PVC pipe, screw and barrel. Our field technicians are just a call away. Our technical experts are always ready to assist customers on specific problems related to machinery operations and maintenance. We provide support and service in the following areas: project planning, installation and commissioning, plant operation, routine maintenance, user training, spare parts, manuals. Get in touch. www.hindustanplastics.com